Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the essentials done fast. Sign into Skype and confirm your profile so students recognize you. Once signed in, install the latest app and grant camera and microphone access. This avoids permission errors during class. Next, create a contact group for students and schedule your first session with a clear time and date. Make sure to add a short agenda in the invite so learners know what to prepare before joining. You run the session by arriving early and testing everything: audio, video, and screen share. Once done, admit students from the lobby and present your slides by choosing the appropriate window or full screen, which preserves layout. Make sure to mute participants when background noise distracts learning, and use chat for quick questions so verbal discussion stays focused. If you will record, tell learners and start recording. Afterwards, save the file and share playback with your class. You finish class by summarizing key points, assigning follow-up tasks, and posting resources in chat so everyone leaves with clear next steps. Once done, stop recording, save the file, and distribute it along with notes and the next meeting time. If something goes wrong, try reconnecting the Wi-Fi, quitting and reopening Skype, or switching to a backup device. These steps resolve most problems quickly. Make sure to follow up with students who had.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.